to show you how to make this. So what you're gonna need is one piece of paper. Like this is one. I'm gonna show you how to use the double screen. So you're gonna need two paper. So you could, the easier way is just put both of them together, do this, and then, cause the way my way is, that you could just do it like this, and then so like, you know, like you usually fold it in an airplane, you do it to both of them. And then and then after that you reopen both of them, and then fold, and then so now that you have both of them like this, so it's like this. To both of them, you're gonna want to fold it. And then, so the first one, you want to hold it flat. So when it's done, and now the other one is done, so it looks like you have two. Now you have two airplanes. So now you have to take one of them and then put it like this, and you're going to want to glue them together. So So it looks hard to do, but it's for some people it's hard because someone already watched it. And and then you're gonna want to need tape. Surprise! So, the part you want to take the sides, so, and then your flaps, your top one, your top two flaps, on one of them, one piece of tape down to the other one, so that it stays. So, now, sorry guys, I just have one more piece of tape left, so that's why I'm using a tiny one. And so, now you have your doubled airplane finished, so that's how it will look like when you're done. And yeah, and if you want to make a 3-to-1, just keep adding it like this, so it goes, the bottom goes higher and then higher. So if you do 3, this is how it will look like. And I can't do the 3-to-1 right now. I'll try if I have enough tape. And I can run out tape, so all you just need to do is take the flaps. So this is how it will look like when you're done.
Let me go get a blanket and then I'll put the stuff in there. Okay.
So, this is what it will look like when you're done, if you did the 3. Oh yeah, I saw him on Misha's bed. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.